You guys say hello to my
Ay.
YouTube channel.
Hello.
Where are we going today? Do you have an idea where are you? Where we at right now?
We're on the Bohol Road. Is that correct? Can you tell Madam's red viewers where we are?
Bohol Road.
Is that all you can see right now? Donald is from Arizona. His friend of mine. And congratulations to the new couple of the year.
So, how about you? Where's your couple?
He's coming.
Oh, is it? Really?
Perhaps maybe next year. Because Donald's still finding for me.
So hot?
So hot ba? Super duper hot.
Tara, dito.
We're going to watch a whale.
언니 여기 있어. 그러니까 아파.
사람이 아프다 할 만한데?
아파 진짜 아파.
그래도 한쪽 발만 달라붙어.
아 부모가. 어디로 떠버려?
네?
Kasi pag may SD card,
Okay,
ma'am,
for
1,500.
1,000.
1,500 yung SD card. Pag transfer lang,
These are the,
Ilan po sila?
the other nationality. I think they're all Korean. They are going to watch a whale.
Okay, hintayin lang natin. So, kailangan talaga.
Sayang, grab the opportunity na maganda ang kuha niyo pag-uwi niyo.
Yan, pag galingan.
Then, when we are in Siargao, the cameraman and namin yung pero 1,000 lang sila in Siargao. And also here in Virgin Island dito, grabe naman. Kala nyo sa mga tao dito, datua?
Alam mo ma'am, yung guide dito, magkano ba yan? 100 lang po sa amin.
Ano ba? Right after ba magbayad?
Mars!
Depende with your liveness for your own safety. So we have also minimum distance swimming. 5 meters away from the head of the bull shark, 6 meters away from the tail of the bull shark. So always stay at the side only. Because the eyes of the bull shark is at the side, not on the front. So no above, no below, no front. Stay at the side. So no wearing of sunscreen, lotion, or any body spray. Because it
Ay, nakabidyo!
Alright guys, so we're done. Okay na? Ano man? You say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, maganda picture. Yeah.
You know, to go back in with home. Summer is real here in Bohol. So you see. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Today is April 20, 2023, 2024.
Merol?